So, are you going to show me how you make sushis?
Yes.
Alright, go ahead. So you put the rice.
Yes.
What do you do with the rice? You spread it?
Yeah, you spread it.
Mm-hmm. You try to spread it evenly?
Like, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Like a little bit everywhere?
Yeah, just a little bit.
No?
And in the corners.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good, huh? Okay, so then after that, what you do, you clean out and put more there, maybe tiny bit more here. Yeah. Okay, go clean your hands. So now what do you do?
Now you take the cucumbers
Mm-hmm.
and you would put it up here. And then you take the avocado. And sure 3 enough would be good. Then you would take some salmon.
No? Don't forget the sesame seeds.
Oh.
It's okay, clean your hands. Just put water. That looks very good. A little bit of sesame seeds.
Just sprinkle.
Yeah? Voilà. Perfect. Alright, now the rolling part.
Now we turn it around like this. And you would take this part, put it up here, and then you start to roll it like this.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Like one small press. Voilà. Yeah.
Then you bring it down again.
Voilà. You press, but enough, but not too much, because otherwise, you know, it. Voilà, perfect. Voilà. What's the result?
It should look kind of like this.
Yeah. Okay, give it another roll there, like that. Do another roll. Voilà. Give him a press again. One last press. No, not too much. Not too much. Voilà. I don't want a flat roll.
Oh, it's
I don't.
kind of flat.
Perfect. All right. Good job.
But remember, the flat is good because then it has all the parts in it.
Yes, true. All right. Perfect. Now we just have to cut them. Good job. High five. Voilà. Well done. Voilà, perfect. Voilà, stop. You put that part there. Perfect. Allez. Et voilà. Good job. It's fine. It's cutting. Voilà, take your time. Forward and backward like that. Up. Et voilà. Let's cut. Voilà. Put that part away. Bring that forward. Voilà. Bravo. Allez, and you cut. Voilà. You do longer, like from the. See, you use the wall knife. You see how it's cutting slowly? Voilà. Bravo, mon amour. Whoa. Voilà. Wow. Wow. Allez, and the last part. Voilà. Slowly. Voilà. At the beginning, you start slow. Is it done?
Yeah.
Are you happy with it?
Yes.
Looks good, huh? All right. Time to eat.